something or bleh. Hey YouTube, Gareth here with another really quick product review. What we have here today is an E36 cooling system kit. This is going to fit all of the 6-cylinder models, so 325, 325IS, your 328s, and also your M3s. One nice thing about this kit is we include the Mishimoto all aluminum radiator, which gets rid of the plastic end tanks that are kind of a problem with the stock radiator. If you're just picking up an E36, you'll probably just want to go ahead and replace most of the cooling system components unless you know that they've recently been replaced. Problem is, due to the age of the vehicle, a lot of the plastic that's used, if these parts haven't been replaced, it's really just a liability. So what we're including in this kit is a brand new expansion tank, along with the coolant level sensor. Some cars may have it, some may not. We also have an aluminum thermostat housing, which gets rid of the plastic failure prone one that you'd see from the factory. Brand new Serpentine belts, new water pump pulley, brand new water pump with a metal impeller versus a plastic impeller, and an 88 degrees Celsius thermostat. And along with this, we're including the lower temp fan switch because this kit is primarily going to be used to delete that viscous fan coupling up front for your radiator fan. So essentially this kit addresses all of the common failure items that you would come across on your typical E36 with a 6-cylinder, and everything is in the kit that you're going to need to replace all those components. All right, this has been another real quick product review. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box below. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you for the next one.